Hello everybody, thanks for stopping by my shop for another visit, another Screwy Tuesday. Let's get things started really screwy right now.
Hi, welcome to another Tuesday shop talk.
Screwy Tuesday.
Screwy Tuesday, yeah, okay, you're my cue card. Okay, I'm babysitting Howie here, and I'm not in my normal environment, so I can't make the same jokes. Yeah, good. Go sit.
Go on.
Go sit.
You're off camera, buddy.
Hey, I got some help. That sounds stupid. Come on, need help.
Hey guys, oh, come on, Howie, did you kick the camera? No, we're still in it. Hey guys, I got Pierre. What's your channel? Pierre in the...
My name is Pierre Baudou, but the channel has changed to Pierre's Garage lately.
Pierre's Garage, yeah.
Yeah.
Pierre's visiting, he's doing his California tour, and I really appreciate him. He was, about 20 minutes away, staying in a hotel before he goes up to Napa.
Yeah.
And called up and said, hey, how about if I come by? And I'm really happy we met Danielle. Is traveling with him, and
yeah, I'm allowed so many shops because Danielle's gonna get get at me if I get too many shops around. But shop hopping's fun.
Yeah. But Danielle did tell me my shop's cleaner than Pierre's.
She told you that.
She told me that.
Shit. Oh, no bad words. No bad words. Sorry. I gotta, I'll do that a little bit on my channel, but no bad words.
No, that's okay.
But it's an honor to be here. I mean, I was commenting on your channel. We were talking back and forth a few times.
Yeah, we're friends. We're, I don't know how many thousand miles away from each other, but
about 3,000, maybe 2,700, 3,000 miles.
But we both enjoy each other's channels, and we saw each other at the Bash, at Stan's Bash, and he's getting his little California tour in.
Yeah, it's a little continuation of what we do like every day. I mean, we meet the people that we relate with, and it's, I don't know, the community is growing. We're making friendships. We're making friends with people. Nice other machinists. Like it's common interest and respect of each other. I mean, it's great. I mean, I can't ask any better than that.
Yeah, that's fun.
To be welcome at someone you've been exchanging for a year or two.
Right. Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. I'm happy to be here. I mean, if you're happy to see me, that's fun.
No, love it. That's great. Well, good. Unfortunately, I can't put him to work though.
No. Slave driver is gone. But you got the slave driver's country of origins beer though. I brought you some of those.
You did? Yeah. Oh, Bruce, the slave driver.
Yeah, the Bruce, the slave driver. I brought you a couple of Australian genuine beers.
Finally, his tattoo left my arm. Finally, just this morning when my last bath. It's been on here for a week.
With the skin too?
Yeah, he did a tattoo on my arm.
Yeah, but you left some skin too, or?
Yeah.
He got you good.
It flies everywhere. All right, guys. Okay, you can see I had a visit from Pierre. Pierre and Danielle stopped by to see me, and we had a great evening together, and really happy to have Pierre visit. While we're talking about visitors, the other Screwy Tuesday, I showed you a dinner where my son was sitting with Ray Goff, and Ray has just started his channel, and I would like everybody to go over and take a look, and if you can, help him out, give him a subscription, get him going. I think he's got one video up, maybe two now. And I'll give you a link to his channel, and if I'm correct, it's Razorworks. He's been out buying equipment and tools and machines, and an iron worker welder by trade, so he's got a lot of skill. So please visit his channel, and also always stop by and say hi to my buddy Harold, the redneck. The redneck machine. No, god dang. I'll write it on there. Hello, Harold. Good to see you, buddy. Keep on doing the videos. I enjoy that. There goes my lights. Cut. Okay. Well, I'm back and got a little machining going in the shop. I'm going to turn the camera and you'll see it, and then we'll cut off to some videos. It's 4th of July today. Happy to everybody in America. Hope you have a great, safe, and happy holiday. Okay, we're going to cut over here. So we're going to have a little discussion about this tool here, the Holdridge Radii Cutter. So we'll cut over to that, and hope you guys enjoy. Here's a little project I'm working on. You can see this is the Holdridge Radii Cutter, excuse me. And my set that I bought was a 4S, which did not include the tooling here for doing concave. So the other day I borrowed these 3 tools from my buddy Flea Market Dave when we got home from the bash, and I'm going to build those for my set. And so I went to my scrap bin, or my selection of material, and I just happened to have stainless, was all I had, in the correct diameter. This one's 1.5 inches, and these are 1.25 inches. And so I've been underway, and I opted to make this one first. And so there's a duplicate of this tool here. If your eye is keen, you'll see that my length here it's 100 thousandths longer, and I did that because I was a little aggressive on the bore. So I'll confess on that. I went a little deep, and I was afraid that the internal bore of 750 and the external bore external diameter 750 on a 125 part, I'm going to end up parting the thing off. So this little bit of extra material doesn't matter. So chucked it up in the lathe, center drilled both sides, then went ahead and did the radiuses on here. And hang on one second, I'll grab the tool that I used for that. So I ended up just using a 1/4 rounding tool, and it worked fine on creating those. And then drilled and reamed to 750 here. So, and then of course I had, these are 45-degree angles, so turned the part and turned in the 45-degree angles, so I had basically matching dimensions. So what I have left now is to mill the flat, and once the flat's milled, I will end up using that to reference center, and I need to put in 3 set screws, and the part will be done. So I'll move that onto the mill. My thought is mill these, and then use those in the vise as the flat, as the reference, and go ahead and do my drilling. Pretty simple operation. The turning was pretty simple operation. Here's a little short clip of me starting the initial cut to get down to diameter. It's on I'm using an insert, and I made the little holder for it. Nothing special. So I'll show you that, and then we'll come on back for it. So the tool I'm using is a tool that I made. Put the insert in it. taking about a 20 thousandths depth of cut, and we're running at about we're running about 7.5 thou feet. So feeding in about 20, moving a little bit forward. Chip control, I haven't managed to get good chip control. Get a little bit of bird nesting. So we're at 8:45, so we got almost another 100 thousandths to take off. Nice nest there, and parts getting a little hot. Okay, I got the parts down to 757, it's over 750. I was shooting for about 10 over, and I need 750. 750 is what I'm looking for to make this piece. So it's situated like this. The center is over here. So I need to now start to work this 45-degree angle and bring it back. This is the top of the cut line for the 45-degree angle right there. So I need to start working that back. So I got quite a bit of material there to still take off. And the part's pretty hot. Okay, we're back from that, and so it'll be interesting. Of course, this guy's going to have a lot of turning, basically similar part other than just a narrower spindle and a smaller tool bit in it. And this one will be the interesting one. Of course, it's a little bigger in diameter, and this one I'm going to have to go ahead and mill in a slot for the set screw. And as you can see, I think you might be able to see in there, but basically the part will have to be at an angle to get the end mill down in there. I haven't even looked to see if I have an end mill long enough, how I'm going to do that. So we may try to film a little bit more on that. And I don't know if I'll have any more film for you on this, but just wanted to update you what I'm doing in my shop. I'm having fun with it, doing it all on the Monarch over there. Okay, maybe we'll see some more. Okay guys, I'm busting out one of my new Niagara cutters. Hopefully that'll show up. For a flute, HCCO end mill. So we're going to give it a shot. It's a roughing, but we're only going down 62.5 thou. So this is a 30 thousandths cut here. Butter. and for the rest of the cut. Okay, bring you back. Do the other side. Okay, the next step is so I have the flats, basically the flats here, and they turned out really nice. The flats will sit against the back jaw of the vise, fixed jaw. Tighten that up, tighten the jaw up, but what I'm going to do is set it on the edge of my vise because my DRO is set 0, 0 on that point. I've got the parallel back far enough that I won't hit it with the drill bit, and I can tighten the vise. And really the critical one is the center dimension. That's the critical guy to hit. So I will need to drill. Let's see, let me get this straight in my mind. I need to drill through here so I can go all the way through and put in those 2 set screws, and then I should reverse this. Let me think about that for a second. Okay, got it straight in my head. Okay, let's do this again. So now I'm going to move the parallel the other way, get this guy in the vise so that it's on the parallel, it's up against the fixed jaw, and I want it down here against my DRO, stop. Now tighten the vise. So I have enough clearance to get my drill through so I can punch and tap, drill and tap this hole, drill and tap this hole. This hole will go all the way through, and I'll pick it up on the second side. And then once I have these done and laid out, then I can turn around and just set it flat on some parallels, and I can drill the center hole. So to make sure I get alignment, got a 3/4 inch bore over here. Let me have a 3/4 inch bore here, so I got a 3/4 inch gauge pin, nice and tight, and I'll pick it up with a center finder, and that'll give me center of my part, and I can drill and tap. Pretty basic stuff. I'm not going to film it, just get it done. Okay, going to go ahead and drill and tap for the cross screw, the set screw that holds the actual tool bit. I've got the part on center both directions, and start off a little spotting bit. Let's get some power. Tables are locked. Then we're going in with a number 1 drill, since it's stainless. This is 1/4 28 is the tap. Need to set my depth. I want to go about 600 thousandths. 600. And a little coating on the tap. Get her in back gear, and we'll get the tap started. Probably finish it by hand though. Well, maybe we won't finish it by hand when you throw the switch the wrong way. Of course, that threw the chip down in the hole. So let me do a little chamfer on that, and it'll be completed. Okay guys, well, you have to catch the rest of it on next Screwy Tuesday. That's about all I have time for today. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and always enjoy your visit. Just an update of a little bit of other action in the shop. You can see the umbilical cords hanging down underneath my son's truck. We pulled the transmission, and it's out getting rebuilt right now. So that's a job that I got to do sometime late in the week. Came out in about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. I hope I can get it back in 4. It comes out easy, goes in hard. Take care.